Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're making Parmesan roasted green beans. These green beans are really easy to make, they're super delicious, and everyone's going to enjoy them. We're going to start off by preheating our oven to 400 degrees. Now let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we are going to need 1 pound of fresh green beans trimmed, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of panko breadcrumb, some salt and pepper, and a tablespoon of minced garlic. First we're going to take our green beans, we're going to hit them with a little bit of olive oil. We're going to go in with our pinch of salt and pepper, our panko breadcrumbs, and our Parmesan cheese, and we're going to toss this until it's evenly coated. Now we want to take our green beans and spread them evenly out onto a baking sheet, so that way they roast evenly. You're going to have all the breadcrumb and Parmesan mixture in the bottom. We're just going to take that and dump it on top. Now we're going to put these in the oven for about 7 to 10 minutes and we're going to come back and check on them. Now once we start to get some color on our breadcrumbs, we're going to give these a toss so that way things aren't burning. Then we're going to sprinkle on our minced garlic, get these laid back out, and then we're going to go back into the 400 degree oven for about another 7 to 10 minutes. Now that's what we're looking for. Our breadcrumbs are nice and toasted, the green beans are roasted. I'm a poet and didn't know it. Now we're going to plate these up. We're just going to put them into a nice big serving bowl. Set them right in the center of the table so everybody can dig in. We'll plate these up, put them in there. We're going to save all the extra toasted breadcrumbs and just sprinkle those on top. Once we get that done, we're going to get a taste. All right, let's get a bite of these. Get a couple green beans. I don't need a fork. Wow, those are really good. The green beans are perfectly roasted. You have a slight nuttiness to them. You get a crispiness from the breadcrumbs. A bit of saltiness from the Parmesan cheese. They're really good. I hope that you try these. Your family will love them. If you enjoy what we're doing here, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. You can check us out on Facebook at HomeHeadChef. Thanks for stopping in. We'll see you next time.